and welcome to another episode of News on Map series. Last time I gave you a practice question to solve with respect to Tigray region. Let us look at this. Consider the following statements with respect to Tigray region. Apart from Eritrea and Ethiopia, it also has a border with Sudan. It is situated to the south of Amhara region of Ethiopia. It is bordered to the east by the Red Sea. Let us first of all look at the map to see how many are correct. So Tigray region is a part of northern Ethiopia, and as we see, it is a very disputed region. It shares its borders with Eritrea in the north, then of course Amhara regional state of Ethiopia to the south, and it also has a border with Sudan. So first statement is correct, but not the second, because it was said that it is to the south of Amhara region, and it also does not have any border with the Red Sea. Only, as you will see, the first statement is correct, but the second and third are not. One statement only is the correct answer. Let us move ahead and talk about our next question. Now, as we have all read about the death of certain number of children in Gambia due to consumption of Indian cough syrup. And because of that, Ivory Coast is also becoming vigilant because they might have imported these cough syrups. So, the country of Ivory Coast is bordered by which of the following countries? Liberia, Guinea, Mali, Niger. And we have these many options. We have to select the correct one. Ivory Coast or Cote d'Ivoire is a country in West Africa, and it is surrounded by Liberia, Guinea, Mali, Burkina Faso, and Ghana. Okay. And to the, of course, its south, it has Atlantic Ocean. So Liberia, Guinea, and Mali are the correct answer, but Niger is not a part of the options, the correct options. So 1, 2, and 3 only. Option A will be correct. Moving on to the next set of questions. Now, Russian president says Turkey offers the best route to redirect gas to the European Union after Nord Stream pipeline damage. Alright, so here we have formulated a question. If a person wishes to travel from Turkey to Russia in a clockwise direction only through the land route, what is the correct order of countries they will cross during their journey? Moldova, Greece, Bulgaria, Romania, Bulgaria, Romania, Moldova, Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria, Moldova, Ukraine, and Bulgaria, Moldova, Romania, Ukraine. Let us see the options, which ones are correct. So from Turkey, using only the land route, the person has to reach Russia. So the person will come across Bulgaria, Romania. They can also skip Moldova and directly reach Ukraine through Romania and then Russia. But as our option has 4 countries, then Moldova, Ukraine, and finally Russia. So Bulgaria, Romania, Moldova, and Ukraine is the correct answer. Bulgaria, Romania, Moldova, and Ukraine. That is option B. This is our correct answer. Moving ahead, the United Nations mission in Mali found that mines and explosive devices had killed 72 people in 2022 as of August 31st. At least one Palestinian killed as IDF clashes with gunmen during raid in Jenin. So, here we have consider the following pairs kind of question. Region and news, you have to match with the country to which they belong. Mopti, Mali, Harare, Zimbabwe, Jenin, Burkina Faso. So, we have to select how many are correctly matched. If we talk about Mopti, Mopti is a region in Mali, that is correct. So, you see first is correct. Then comes Jenin. Jenin is the third pair, is in the third pair. It is a part of the West Bank. Okay. So, that's not correct. Third pair is not correct. Harare is the capital of Zimbabwe. Okay. This has been in the news too. So, only the first and the second pairs are correct. This one and this one, but not the third one. Okay. So, 2 pairs only will be our correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. This question is with respect to Israel and Lebanon. They have made a historic breakthrough and agreed to establish a permanent maritime border between them because they both used to claim the Karish region in Mediterranean Sea. So, Mediterranean Sea will also have a question with respect to this news only. The blue line serves as a boundary between which of the countries? USA and Canada, Oman and Saudi Arabia, Yemen and Oman, Israel and Lebanon. The correct answer to this question is Israel and Lebanon. The blue line is accepted as a border or a boundary line by both Israel and Lebanon. With Palestinian region, Israel has a green line border, right? So the correct answer will be Israel and Lebanon. Beg your pardon. Moving on to the next question. From west to east, arrange the following water bodies of the Mediterranean Sea. These are the many options. And from west to east, that means we have to move from our left to our right. First of all, we have Alboran Sea. If we see any option with Alboran Sea, we will shortlist it. These are the two options. Then Alboran, Linguarian, Ionian, Sea of Crete. Let us see. Alboran, then we have Linguarian. Okay, then we have Ionian, and then we have Sea of Crete. And Tyrrhenian was in the next option, the D one. So it's not going to be the correct one because Linguarian is already here. Option C, beg your pardon, option C is our correct option. Okay, moving ahead to the next set of questions. Vistyeste is on the frontier with the Kaliningrad region, which is an exclave of Russia, and it is a heavily militarized region of Russia bordering Poland and Lithuania. Okay, so we have a question. Kaliningrad, an exclave of Russia, borders which of the following pairs of countries? Lithuania and Poland, Lithuania and Latvia, Lithuania and Belarus, Lithuania and Estonia. So as I have already introduced the correct options, the correct answer in the news, Kaliningrad lies over here. It is an exclave of Russia. That an exclave is a region which is belonging to a country, but it is detached from the mainland. Okay, and also, it's detached with the mainland like an island, but in case of exclave, we can also see that it is a part of the mainland as well. So Kaliningrad is an exclave which is bordered with Lithuania and Poland. These kind of questions could come. Lithuania and Poland as the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next question. 4 people were rescued following the accident on the Mekong River southeast of the capital, Phnom Penh. So let us see. We have to consider the following statements with respect to Mekong River. It originates from the Tibetan Plateau. It flows through 6 countries only. Its delta lies entirely in Vietnam. We have to select the correct statement. Okay. So yes, if we talk about its origin, it originates in the Tibetan Plateau. That is correct. Then it flows through China, Myanmar. It also forms a boundary between China and Myanmar, international boundary. Then Laos, Vietnam, Thailand and Cambodia. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 countries it flows through. And its delta, although majorly lies in Vietnam, but it also has a delta in Cambodia. Alright, so third statement is not correct and second is correct, first is correct. 1 and 2 is the correct answer here. Alright, moving ahead to the next set of questions. So, over 200 stranded pilot whales die in Pacific Ocean's remote Pitt Island. We have a question with respect to Chatham and Pitt Island. So, the Pitt Island, recently seen in the news, is situated where? East of New Zealand, south, west or north? This is our map. And this is the Pitt Island. It belongs to New Zealand only and it is to the east of New Zealand main islands. So, the correct answer is option A, east of New Zealand. Moving ahead to the next question. PM Modi inaugurates Mahakal Lok Corridor at Mahakaleshwar Temple in Ujjain. So we have a question, very interesting question. Jyotirling, we have to match the natural feature in which they are surrounded. Bhima Shankar Western Ghats, Kedarnath Alpine Forest, Sri Sailam Tropical Evergreen Forest. So we have to see how many are correctly matched. If we talk about Bhima Shankar is in Maharashtra, okay, and it is of course straddled in Western Ghats. Kedarnath is belonging to Uttarakhand and we have alpine vegetation over there. And if we talk about Sri Sailam or Mallikarjun is in Andhra Pradesh. And here tropical deciduous forests are found and not tropical evergreen forest. Okay, so 1 and 2 is correct but not the third. So 2 pairs only will be the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next question. As winter approaches, Delhi NCR has been placed under the first stage measure of Graded Response Action Plan. We have covered Graded Response Action Plan in one of our segments in depth. Do watch it. Which of the following states has the maximum number of districts as a part of National Capital Region? Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana and Delhi. So, as we see that Delhi NCR has many districts of different states such as Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Haryana. Haryana has 14 districts which are a part of Delhi National Capital Region. Uttar Pradesh has 8 and we see Rajasthan has only 2. Okay, and Delhi NCR only Delhi. So the correct answer is Haryana. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set, Kerala, speeding train kills wild elephant in Palakkad. Alright, and Palghat Gap was in the news as well because of lot of rains in the Western Ghats, and Western Ghats has only one break, that is the Palakkad Gap or Palghat Gap. So the Palghat Gap lies to the north of Anaimudi, Jog Falls, Kaveri River, Malabar Coast. Okay, so let's see, Palghat or Palghat Gap lies over here and it lies to the north of Anaimudi Peak. And of course, if we talk about other options, Jog Falls is lying over here. So it's the south of Jog Falls. Then I think Kaveri River, to the south of Kaveri we have Palghat Gap and one more was there, Kaveri and Malabar Coast. Yeah. So Malabar Coast is lying over here. Then also the correct answer to this will be Anai Peak or Anaimudi Peak. Alright. So option A is the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. 5th Vande Bharat Express to commence operation from November, and this will start from Chennai, will go to Mysuru or Mysuru via Bengaluru. Okay, so let us see. If one draws a straight line joining Chennai and Kochi, which of the following cities will lie to the south of the line? Bengaluru, Mysuru, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli. Let us see the map. So the person draws a straight line joining Chennai and Kochi. Tiruchirappalli is to the south of it, but Mysuru, Bengaluru and Coimbatore is to the north of this line. So Tiruchirappalli will be the correct answer over here. Option D is correct. Alright. Now let's move on to our UPSC prelims question of 2022. Which one of the lakes of West Africa has become dry and turned into a desert? Lake Victoria, Lake Fagubin, Lake Oguta, Lake Volta. The correct answer is Lake Fagubin, which is in Mali. Okay, it is a part of Mali is a part of West Africa. So next question goes like practice question for the next segment. The Darien Gap is present in Venezuela and Colombia, Panama and Colombia, El Salvador and Panama, Ecuador and Colombia. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated.